Alright everybody, let's have a look at the update on the 16th of February 2021. See, I have the goal like this, so I want to be able to click on this and it will show the status right here, what is the left and what I have clicked. Alright, and there will be some button to show in here like this. I got the button here to delete the selection, and also it will telling me after the operation it will be 184 item left. If I click to another one, it will be decrease the size. Okay, and if I click it back again, it's going to go back, so 182 and so on, and things is gone like this. All right, now let's have a look. If I delete two of this, let's say we're going to have this for 185. I delete it and it say okay. Now it's 183 left, and if I do it again, it will show me what left like that. All right, and the code is going to be just like my normal messy code that you see before. It's just a little bit update. Now the file is called visitor list, which is live in this part. Okay, this file is the operation for the Vue.js file. I have this visitor list and visitor form and visitors, so this way you know where to edit it if you want to edit it. So by the list, I have the code right here that is a normal checkbox, but I got the V model. So the V model named check for delete is going to trigger this function called get total, and I'm passing the value here, and also the true value will be equal to 1. I don't know, maybe it doesn't affect anything. I didn't try that, but it took me the whole day for today. Okay, now let's have a look of the function get total. The function get total is right here. What the function get total do is will change the old left. As first, we'll set the old left value to 0. So I get the variable right here. The check for delete will be equal to an empty array. Total left, I using the wash, I don't know, is it method or something, and going to be like this. You're going to see a better code if you have a look the code from GitHub. I have the link down below. The operation is only like this. All right, and the button to delete, it will be trigger another function in visitor script. This file is visitors, so the delete functions will trigger to this. They'll select ID, and you can see that I have the method reset visitor, which is the big button, the button up here. So what happens if I click on this, it will say the operation will delete the whole thing, which means to truncate this table. So what happens if I click on OK? You see that table has been reset, and then I click OK, and everything is gone because I just truncate the table. So this is how this operation works. Now if I want to get this thing back, because all of this is generated by the script, right? Let's see how I do it. PHP Artisan Tinker, I use Tinker, and I call visitor factory. We're gonna create for 200 items. I want to create it at last. Maybe it's error because the field I have here. Because the field I have here, last visit date, it will be date. So I cannot fill directly with the text. It have to be a number in here. Okay, so what I do is I have to create a variable called date today. It will become in date format, and it's going to be str2time function, and today is what? Today is 16 of 21. Okay, we store this in today, and that will be the days we have. Now let's create the visitor 200 item. Alright, the last visited date that we enter is from here, this field. I'm going to fill the thing in only this field. Now let's hit enter, and you can see that the data is already generated. We have 200 items in here. Now let's go back, and then I refresh. You can see that the data is coming back right here. So the script that generated this, you can find it in the factory folder. All you have to do is just come to the database and factory, and the script is this one, visitor factory. And the script is really simple, nothing much in here, and it will generate this sort of thing. It's very simple. I use a faker too. Alright, so that's it about the update for today on the 16th of February 2021.